Hey guys, I'm here na and I'm gonna go to the reception, which pool I have access. And look at the view, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Really, really love it. I'm already here, but I'm gonna work maybe for the next 30 minutes because I have things to do, and if I really want to enjoy this place, I have to get rid of all the things that's in my head and finish it up. So let's do this. I am starving, and I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to the restaurant and have some food first. So yeah, let's go there. Perfect. Thank you. So by the way, guys, I paid like 7,000 MUR for this day pass, and thank you. They gave me a cold towel. Very refreshing. Okay, anyway, so yeah, so I paid like 7,000 MUR Mauritian rupees here, and I can spend like I think 500, and I can spend 5,000 MUR for my food and for my drinks. So I think it's a really good price, very affordable, and you know, someone who lives in Mauritius, I don't need to check in. I just need to visit all these beautiful luxury hotels, and then I can just spend the day here. So that's how it works. So I got the menu now. This restaurant is called Beach Road, and these are the prices. This is all in Mauritian rupees. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you brief how much the food cost here. You know what, guys, though I love cheese so much, but I cannot really eat a lot because I am lactose intolerant. So thank you so much. Woohoo. Thanks for granting my wish.
So you can have the truffle chicken here.
Yeah.
One here, some
Oh, perfect.
soja sauce, and this is some red chili for you.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Hi guys, so I got my starter. This dim sum is not actually on their menu. No, it's in their menu, but it's only vegetable. And then they told me that if I want some if I want some meat in it, they're gonna make it especially for me. So they gave me a beef, a chicken, and a prawn dim sum. So that's what I love about this restaurant, is they are flexible. And oh my god, love it, love it. Hey guys, so I finished my lunch. I'm super busog. I'm full. So this is the right time now to just lie down by the beach or by the pool. So I'm just gonna enjoy this 1 hour or 1 hour and a half just for myself. So before I shut down this video, I'm gonna show you the first beach that I'm gonna go to. Look at these guys, they're serving a free beverages like this. So if anytime you feel like so anytime you wanted to drink, it's free. It's available for everyone who is staying here and for a visitor like me. So that's the first pool here that I have an access. I thought of before I lie down, I think they have a second pool here and they say it's bigger than the first one. So let's go and see it. I can see it now, I can see it, and this is nicer because there is not much people here. It's very quiet, and I think I'm gonna stay here instead of the first one. So I'm here now at the beach. Let's see how the water looks like here. Nice, very, very beautiful, nice clean water, and the blue and the green color of the water really, really looks nice. Hey guys, I'm at the third. Hey guys, oh my god, it's so windy. Anyway, I'm on the third floor. This is their rooftop, and they have a very, very nice infinity pool, and they said that I can go there and check it out, and if I want to film, I am allowed to do it. So let's see. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube video, and I'm really gonna try to post or film a lot of video about Mauritius, because this is a very beautiful city, because this is a very beautiful island, and I really want to show you where I live here in Mauritius. So bye bye, see you on my next video.
When I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see.